My name is Tyler Lantrip. I'm an HVAC technician at the Meridian Company. An HVAC technician services and maintains and repairs furnace equipment or air conditioners. I've always been kind of a hands-on person. My dad always fixed everything himself. So when I was younger, I would help him, and we'd be in the garage all the time, either working on cars or fixing appliances or whatever it may be. At a young age, I was introduced to labor work, and it kind of stuck with me, and it was always something that, no matter how old I got, it's still something I wanted to pursue. I'd say the best part of my job is arriving at a home that either the furnace isn't working or air conditioner's not working, diagnosing the problem and taking care of it, and leaving them with heat or air conditioning by the time I leave. You know you improved on something in that home for someone else. Someone should consider HVAC technician as a career because it's a growing field. Things are changing constantly. I'd say this job appeals to anyone that doesn't want to sit at a desk all day, likes to be active, and just being around people in general. If you're a people person and like to talk to people, this is the kind of place for you to be.